Hi everybody, my name is Eloise Williams and I'm a children's author and also Children's Laureate Wales, and this week we're going to be working on writing a ghost story, so get ready to be very, very afraid. So all of these exercises should help you to start writing your ghost story, kind of build up ideas first. The first thing that I'm going to ask you to do is have a discussion with somebody about ghost stories. So that might be with your class, or it might be with somebody you can get in contact with on the phone, or somebody who lives with you. Whoever you want to, just have a quick discussion about ghost stories and then think, what have they got in common and what are different about them? Because lots of ghost stories have lots of elements in common. So have a discussion, make a list of what they've got in common and what are different about them. I asked my neighbour about any ghost stories that she knew, and she knew at least 5, and it took about half an hour for her to get through them. So I know that lots of people know lots of different ghost stories. I hope you enjoy your discussion and it gets you into a creepy mood to get going. And I look forward to seeing you for the next bit of the workshop. Bye.